Want to eat in a way that fuels fat loss, balances hormones, and actually gives you energy, without counting calories or cutting carbs? Here's what I eat in a day to stay fit, fab, and hormone happy. I used to eat low-cal, low-carb, and still feel bloated, exhausted, and stuck. Now I eat to support my metabolism, my gut, and my hormones, and it's changed everything. Simple, nourishing, no stress. Let's do this. My go-to is a hormone-supporting smoothie. 1 scoop of clean protein, half an avocado, frozen berries, spinach, flaxseed, almond milk, and maca powder for hormone balance. Add your daily adaptogens or Fit and Fab Greens blend. Link in description below. Fat plus fiber plus protein equals balanced blood sugar equals fat burn mode. Lunch is all about color and satiety. I build a big bowl with mixed greens, quinoa or sweet potato, grilled salmon or chickpeas, olive oil and lemon, and a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds equals zinc equals hormone support plus immune boost. In the afternoon, I keep it light but supportive. Herbal tea. I love nettle and dandelion for detox, a boiled egg or a handful of almonds. Sometimes I'll do a Fit and Fab protein ball. Yes, I have a recipe. Get the Hormone Support Snack Guide at fitandfabshop.com. Dinner is where I wind down with grounding foods, roasted veggies, grilled turkey or lentils, a turmeric broth or bone broth-based soup. Slow carbs plus clean protein help stabilize blood sugar overnight and keep your sleep and hormones happy. After dinner, I avoid sugar and screen time. Instead, I sip on magnesium tea or take an adaptogen blend to lower cortisol. Try my Fit and Fab Sleep plus Stress Herbal Blend fitandfabshop.com. You don't have to eat perfectly, just consistently and intentionally. I created a free What I Eat in a Day PDF you can grab at fitandfabshop.com with meal ideas, shopping lists, and hormone tips. Download free What I Eat for Hormones plus Fat Burn PDF. Subscribe, like, and comment. I'm fueling up.